If you've decided to create content for your business as a solopreneur, as a small business, as a CEO, this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to add value to your customers' news feeds, their journeys, their lives, their businesses through original content. You are in business, you get paid because you're good at something. You're probably a 90 out of 100 in that. It could be accounting, it could be fitness, it could be videography, it could be handling cameras, it could be dog sitting, whatever that is. Whatever your business is predicated on, you are good at what you do. You have to be. And let's look at it in terms of levels. If there's levels of mastery at a subject, you're probably at a 70 or an 80 or 90. Your customers aren't. That's why they come to you for help. If they knew how to solve their own problems, they wouldn't pay you. There was a time where you weren't a 90 at your subject. Your customers aren't too. So what you have to think about while making content is what are the questions that you had when you were going from a 10 or 20 to where you are right now? Because those are the exact questions your customers are asking themselves. And when you make content answering those questions and they see it, they're like, this person understands me. They understand my problems. And when you answer those questions, those customers know that you can solve their problems. And if someone believes that I have this problem that I really want to solve, but I don't know how to, but this person knows how to, I want to pay them. That is the golden ticket. When customers just know that, yes, this problem that they really care about, that is burning a hole through their wallet, you can solve it for them, that's gold right there. So what I want to ask you to do is think about that subject you're really, really good at. And the questions you had on your journey that upon answering, you got better at this subject. Once you list those, that's your content for like a year. These things that I'm talking about, this exact question, how do I make original content, is something I wrote down months ago. And it's just a bunch of topics that I know that my customers have. So I just talk about them. All you're doing is answering customers' questions based on your unique expertise and subject matter expertise. I said that twice, never mind. And that's where you start. Because you'll probably have 50 questions that your customers are asking themselves. That's like content for a year if you make a video a week. And the best part is that content lives forever. If it's optimized for keywords, it's gonna pop up on YouTube and LinkedIn. And that evergreen asset library is gonna serve your business for a long, long time. Cheers.